That screen you are seeing, update required, you must update to continue. Why this happening? It mainly comes down to compatibility and updates. Number 1, YouTube now requires a newer iOS. The latest version of YouTube app need iOS 16 or later to run. If your iPhone is on iOS 15 or older, the app refuses to open and show their messages. Reason 2, older iPhone can't update anymore. Devices like iPhone 6s, 7 or SE first generation are stuck on older iOS, so they can't install the new YouTube version at all. Reason 3, security plus new features. Apps like YouTube keep updating for better performance, new features or stronger security. Older versions become risky or incompatible, so companies forces update. So what you can do now, the best option is update your iPhone software. If iOS 16 or 16 Plus is available, install it from your general option in your phone setting, or you use YouTube in a browser. So open Safari or Google Chrome app. Now search youtube.com. If you want a long-term solution for update required on YouTube, please update your iPhone device and install iOS 16 or 16 Plus.